Earn bigger tips, get higher fares, save money on gas. Rent an EV with Hertz and drive with Uber. Through the Hertz rental program, save on discounted rental car rates and enjoy unlimited miles and extend your rental up to 180 days. Vehicle maintenance and damage protection included. Plus, many Hertz EV rentals qualify for Uber Comfort, Uber Green, and Uber Comfort Electric, which riders pay a little bit more for. Ride with Hertz and drive with Uber today. Let's go. Let's go on to this next
Yeah,
let's go on to this next little thing with unaccompanied minors. Whoever was in the chat earlier talking about how they got a little problem when it came to this whole thing by not allowing 4 minors in a row. This is something we're going to be talking about right now.
How long has this been going on, Chris? Literally the first
unaccompanied minors?
Yeah.
Since Uber and Lyft beginning. Really?
Yeah.
Well, okay. No, you know what? I don't think it was really that big. Probably it was more so around. It probably shifted about 2015, 2016. Because you got to think back before that time. It was the early adopters, so it was the people who were actually using it versus it becoming more of a mainstay, like it is more so even today than it was then. But unaccompanied minors has always been an issue. And it probably ramped up in 15, 16, and it's still an issue today.
Yeah, this is bad. I mean, we need to work on this, Uber. This is horseshit. You have Uber Teen now. Force these people to go to Uber Teen. It's the same price. Yep. Hey, this is bad. This just happened. So I'll read the driver's letter to me, and you'll read the support shit, because that support shit has to be read, and because what the customer said to this driver and what happened. Anyway, and Chris will read that because my glasses are shit. I can't see that. So I was sent to a high school, typical, the other day in Atlanta. App rides, thank you, much appreciated, Donnie.
Thanks, Donnie.
Donnie, you're swimming in cash, bro. Donnie is killing it in Biloxi, bro. Every trip he takes me like $50, $40 for 5 minutes. I'm going like, wow. Anyway, I always send a copy paste text to the passenger via the Uber Messenger. Great idea. When I see that it's a school, of course, you'll see that at the top of the screenshots, which I sent, but that's okay. So, but basically, this parent, which is in the chat with the passenger, but this parent was sending Uber to pick up her 17-year-old daughter, perfect for Uber Teen, whoever you are as a passenger, and daughter from school, and got super angry and petty when she realized she has been caught. Of course,
dun, dun, dun.
Dun, dun, dun. Passengers always not right. She even went so far as to physically threaten me at the end. Uber, I mean, we know who this is, so please put this passenger immediately off the platform. She even went so far to physically threaten me. She ended up canceling the ride right after that, but not before I could get screenshots. Good for you. This is what you guys do. You take screenshots of everything and then send it to me. And of course, it was reported to Uber. I wonder. And I can provide you with the generic copy paste bullshit. We know that. They responded, but we didn't need that. We know what comes. We're very sorry for the inconvenience. And what they say, always send. But the sad part is, as I stood there waiting to submit the safety report, another RSG SMTMC viewer, because that's what we said, you take the first punch, you pull over, immediately send the report in before the asshole does it, and report to Uber. Another Uber driver pulled up, and the kid gave me the finger and a little haha, you ain't stopped shit smirk, and away they went. See what I mean? See what's happening, Uber?
Yep.
This is what we have to deal with, okay? This is bad. This is really bad. You can stop this like that. Seriously, you can. So let's work on it. Let's end this. This is going on 7 years now. So anyway.
All right. Well, I will. I'll read the chat between the two. So the driver is the black side, and the passenger is, well, the parent is the gray one.
So-called
so
parent.
The copy and paste is because your pickup location is at a school, you may be required to show a valid photo ID to your driver verifying that you are at least 18 years old. It is against the law for anyone under the age of 18 to ride in a rideshare vehicle without an accompanying adult. Thank you. And that is very true. Unless it has an Uber. I mean, here's the other thing. Atlanta, I don't know if they have Uber Teen. I'm pretty sure it does because it's a bigger market. But if it doesn't, yeah, it's definitely against TOS, and there's some issues there. So copy and paste there. So
she's at school trying to come home.
Because your pickup location is at a school, you may be required to show a valid photo. Basically, same thing. And then, so the person said,
no.
You are welcome to call Uber support and ask them why you cannot put your child in a car with a stranger. If this person does not have a valid photo ID showing that they are at least 18 years old, the ride will be canceled and you will be charged a cancellation fee because that is how Uber works.
Cancel the ride.
That is not how this works. I will gladly cancel the ride after I've arrived and I've waited the appropriate time so that I can be paid for mileage and driven for this ride. It is not my fault. You cannot follow. Hold on.
On the next
Pause
one.
for a second. It is not my fault. You cannot follow the rules.
So just pick her up if you're still going to go.
This is not a debate. The guidelines are what they are for a reason. I'm not accepting liability for taking a minor in my vehicle. It is against the law. You are asking me to break the law. No, thanks.
Who's debating?
I'm sorry. Maybe we have an issue communicating the issue. I have already informed you that I will arrive with the appropriate time and then cancel the ride so that I can be paid the time mileage. This is how Uber works. The person has already come up to the vehicle informing me that she's 17. Therefore, she's a minor. When the wait timer runs out, I will cancel the ride and mark it as unaccompanied, and you will be charged for cancellation fees per terms of service.
You're broke as fuck. I'm reporting your account. Bye. And then boys are going to beat you the fuck up.
Think about this, bro. What the F, Uber?
Oh my God! Shit. Like here's another thing that AI could potentially do.
Platform, bro, I quit.
If all you got to do is set up something where if you're able to see some sort of language that shouldn't be in there, you should probably look into it, because this all is communication through the Uber app, and they can go in and look at it, and if they see stuff like that, that account should be deactivated completely.
Yeah, and the sad irony, right, or the part of all this is the driver says, "Oh, I just was doing my report to Uber," and sure enough, a jackass driver came and picked her up, right? We play by the rules, we lose. I bet you we didn't get a cancellation on this either. I bet you, Uber. We play by community guidelines, we lose. We get reported, we get deactivated, but that jackass, I'll bet you, still on the platform. And probably she's done this every single day to pick that 17-year-old up from school. And some driver, is breaking the law.
Yeah. Take the bus.
Yeah. So.
That's all I got to say. So take the bus.
Yeah. Good question. There you go. There's the question, Uber. Why does Uber even allow pickups at high schools? It could be a teacher. It could be, whatever.
Yeah, it could be a teacher. It could be 18. I mean, there's a few things. Parents with kids.
But this needs to end. This right here. Yeah,
absolutely.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club, with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.